Hello, 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 amazing people. This is Jacqueline Price back again with another quick video. Yes, yes, yes. So, I want to talk to you today about how you can lose 5 pounds in 5 days. Yes, yes, yes. So, first, we're here on my Facebook page where you see this is my official Facebook page. My link will be down below where you can join me on Facebook. You can, send me a friend request, send me a message, because I'm a mentor, online digital marketer, entrepreneur, full time since 2018, and it has been an amazing journey. I am so blessed to be able to work from home and to help a whole bunch of people earn money from home. And now I found this amazing product that's going to help us lose weight because a lot of us are sitting at home and we're getting a little fluffy because of this situation that we're in. And what I want to do is I want to show you my Facebook group. Yes, my Facebook group. And the link to my group is going to be in the description as well so that you can join my Facebook group. So here it is, Drink2Shrink with Miss Jackie. And I am so excited because right now I have 134 members in my group. The group is growing daily. And you see these beautiful pictures of these beautiful gallons of Drink2Shrink right here. Oh my goodness. We have so many wonderful and delicious flavors. And so we're excited about that, um, about what this product can do. And, maybe if you sat back and you watched the Drink2Shrink movement for a while, and, maybe it gets annoying or whatever, but I decided to get some of it, and it tastes very good. And it does work. It makes you go to the bathroom, it makes you lose weight, and it's also healthy. It's absolutely 100% herbs, non-herbs. It's very healthy, 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 healthy for us. And so I just wanted to show you my group and just let you know how excited I am about what's happening. And we're getting people, are joining. I'm showing before and after pictures. I've already taken some orders. If you like to order Drink2Shrink, all you have to do is go to www.bestdrink2shrink.com and feel free to reach out to me if you need help with your order. But here's a before and after picture. It says, boom. All it takes is a decision, dedication, and Drink2Shrink. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself 25 pounds lighter. Look at her. Wow. She has lost 25 pounds. She weighed in at 205 and now she's at 180. Okay, let's keep it going. Oh, here's another one. Want to lose belly fat by 2021? Comment me. Look at that. OMG. She's standing in one leg of her pants. That is absolutely amazing. So the product does work. Lose 5 pounds in 5 days. It's just amazing. I've already sent products out. So what we're going to be talking about in the group, I'm probably going to do a Facebook Live inside there. And we're going to be talking about different food choices and stuff. So here's another one. Uh, More Drink2Shrink results. I challenge you to start today. It all begins with a decision. Look at her before. And then look at her after picture. This girl is feeling herself. Literally. Okay? Okay, and then look at these beautiful gallons that we're giving out to people. We have a special for this month um, of November. We have a special. Today's special is you buy 2 gallons and you get one free. So that's a total of $56.99, shipping included. So just inbox me for all that or comment below, text me, whatever you have to do to get with me on those. Look, beautiful. It just looks so good, and I tell you that it is good. So I saw this picture. It says me when I lose 2 pounds. I just want to give you guys a sneak peek at my Drink to Shrink with Miss Jackie Facebook group. Look at her results. She's lost 32 pounds. Guys, it's really the truth. She's down 20 pounds with Drink to Shrink. Even the guys are getting in on it. It's amazing. So, I just wanted to let you know that you can lose 5 pounds in 5 days with Drink to Shrink. You can order here with PayPal, www.bestdrinktoshrink.com. If you don't have PayPal, feel free to reach out to me. I have other methods of payment. And what happens is, let me tell you, so when you order, I will send you everything that you need to mix it yourself, and then you can start drinking. I send you everything. I'm going to send you a meal plan. I'm going to send you the directions and all of that so that you can begin your weight loss journey. And make sure that you join my group. When you see this video, make sure that you join my group. My group link will be below in the description. Please be sure to like, comment, and share the video with someone else. Share it with someone else who may need, some natural products to be able to lose weight, to lose that extra belly fat that we've gained. So that's what we want to do. We want to make sure that this Drink to Shrink gets all around the world. And guys, be sure to join my group. I appreciate you so much for listening to me today on my YouTube channel, wherever you see this at, if it's on Facebook or wherever. But I am appreciative of you for taking your time out to check out Drink to Shrink. And my link will be below so you can order. You can join my group, get more information about the products and everything. And I just want to say, whatever you're doing, when you're trying to lose weight, it takes a decision, it takes discipline, and it takes sometimes you having a product that's going to help you, that's going to help you get to where the goal that you have set for yourself. Because the biggest room in the world is the room for improvement. And when you look good, you feel good. And so that's all I'm going to say about that. Guys, I appreciate you. This has been Jacqueline Price, and I will see you on the next video.